Welcome to Bawah Reserve, where adventure meets luxury. We are in search of the ultimate vacation experience. Today, we are venturing deep into the heart of Bawah's untamed wilderness. For those seeking solace from the chaos of everyday life, Bawah promised an escape unlike any other. The trails around the island are well marked, but there are some steep inclines and descents where you need to be careful. Trekking through verdant foliage, our senses come alive with the sounds and scents of the wilderness. But the true pinnacle of our adventure lay hidden on the island's remote shores. After about 40 minutes, we descended the final peak and heard the distant crashing of the waves. Our hearts pound with anticipation as we finally reach the hidden beach, greeted by the sight of powdery white sand and turquoise waters. It is like something out of a dream, absolutely worth every step. Across the lagoon, towering limestone formations create that perfect Instagrammable moment. Despite the heat of the afternoon sun, we pressed on, eager to uncover the secrets hidden within Bawah's untouched paradise. We walked into the water to cool down and took a stroll along the shoreline, with the vibrant hues of blues and greens as our backdrop. Weaving through the resort's pristine landscapes and discovering hidden treasures, our journey has unfolded into an unforgettable adventure. Bawah Reserve, where every moment is an adventure waiting to be discovered.